brought the snow inside because, well, it's just too deep out there. So this is a lot more fun anyway because what's in our snow, Peter?
Eggs!
Oh, there's eggs. It looks like there's eggs and ornaments and trucks. And who's going to dig out all those eggs so that we can see what's in them?
Me.
All right. And James is going to help?
But I hit one.
You did? You
Yeah,
hit one already?
It's a purple one.
Oh, well, you have to undig it. Dig it out. Dig it out.
I am. I found it.
What did you find?
Let's see what's inside.
Is it slippery because you have your gloves on backward? One glove is backwards. What's in it?
I'm trying to open it. Can you open it for me?
Give me.
Wait. It's okay.
Wait, it's not open yet.
It's a
little dump truck.
Yeah, it's a little dump truck. I don't know if he can drive this one. It's not easy.
It's not easy to drive him through the snow?
Yeah.
That's okay. Later we'll fill him up and have him dump some snow. What else you got in there?
Let me see.
Well, you have all those ones on top. Why don't you try one of the ones on the top?
Okay.
Ooh. What kind of ornament is that?
Let's open it.
What is it? Who's on that?
It's Elsa and Anna.
Oh.
Let's see. Let's see what's in it.
I'm frozen, huh?
Yeah, let's see what's in it. It's Tic Tac.
Frozen Tic Tac. Ooh, and Elsa and Anna Tic Tacs. How about we have them later? Because if you put them in your hand now, they're going to get all wet from your gloves.
Yeah, let's have them later after I take my gloves off.
Okay. Oh, here comes the daddy with some stuff for you.
Wow!
What is that?
It's more shovels.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of tools. Thank you, Daddy. Oh, that's a big shovel. Oh, boy. No, we don't want to bury stuff.
The little one.
We don't want to bury stuff, Peter. We want to get stuff out. Ooh.
I dumped it on the ornament.
Oh, and in one ornament here. Wow. This is a lot harder than we thought, huh?
Yeah. We're making a video.
Yeah.
Peter Peace video?
Yep.
Oh, you found one!
I digged it.
You dug it out. Give me.
I opened it.
Oh, you got it open. What's in it?
Hershey Kisses.
Oh, how many? Let's count them.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. You're right.
And now let's see if we can eat.
You're gonna eat them with the gloves on?
You can drop it in my mouth.
All right, we'll have to stop the video. How good was that Hershey Kiss?
Good.
Oh, it was good, right? So who are the other two for? Mommy and Mommy?
No, Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, I have to share? Okay.
Yes. Let's try.
Oh, James, what are you doing over there?
Let's
You really should have gloves, little boy. Oh. You want gloves? Oh, wow. How about you do this?
Wow.
Mommy will help you. Dig it out.
Whoa! It's another ornament that we found.
Okay, let's see what's in it. Come this way. Yeah. Oh, these aren't easy to open, huh?
Yeah.
You got it open? Oh, what's in it?
Zug.
Zug like snow. Zug dinosaur.
Yeah. It still likes. Well, try to.
Zug like snow.
It's I can't get out.
Grave is in the snow now. Oh, boy.
Bum.
And he jumped out. Look at this thing. What is this?
Oh, it's another scoop. It's a scooper.
Yeah, it's a scooper.
Let's dig another egg.
Let me dig another egg out.
Where?
I don't know.
I see one.
You see one?
Yeah.
Get it.
I'm trying, but it's all the way at the bottom. It's in the bucket.
It's the bucket. What about this way? Oh, I found one!
Found it. And inside of it we got.
Let's see. It's a pretty egg.
And inside of it we got.
Candy from Frozen.
Yeah, I see. All I see is
Little snowflakes.
Yeah, little snowflake candy. Oh!
That looks yummy. We'll have to eat that after we're done with our video.
Wait a minute!
Oh, you got another egg out.
Yeah, an egg. An egg was trying to get out of snow.
Who is it?
Because Olaf wants to come out and play.
Oh, it's Olaf.
That's right. That's because
In summer.
But this isn't summer, Olaf. This is snow.
Yeah, it's winter.
Yep.
Let's keep going.
I hit the bucket again.
Okay.
Oh, I see something. Oh, that's just the bucket.
Hey, what about these guys? You want to open up another one of those that's on top?
Yeah.
Let's see what's in them.
I opened it.
You got it. Oh, and it's falling all over.
It's Blaze!
Yay!
Bum, 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 bum.
Oh, Blaze likes the snow, huh?
Get me. Let's Blaze!
Oh. James would like to have Blaze, please, big brother.
Yeah, Blaze.
A wet, snowy Blaze, but that's okay.
Yeah, because snowy.
Oh, you're falling.
I got it.
You got it? All right, let's see what else you got. What's in that big egg?
I wonder what's inside it. Whoa. It's Everest and there's snowplow.
Oh, very good. Let me see her. Hi, Everest. She's good in the snow. She's a snow pup, right?
Yeah, so she's good in the snow.
Oh, that's really cool. You gonna stick her in? Here,
Stick her in the snow.
stick her in. Oh, you can't open her legs. You gotta keep her like that.
Oh, I got her in the snow.
What is that?
It's a minion, but it's electric, so we can't put him in the snow.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't because he has batteries and they can leak from the moisture. But what does he do? Banana!
Banana.
Oh, he's cute. He was from the movie when they were all in the snow, right? When they were all together in the cold. All right, let's go. Who else do we have?
Let me see. Let me pick one up. I'm trying to find one. It's a little bit like Blaze, huh? Oh, I found one. I see one.
You did?
Yeah, it's a pink egg.
A pink egg. What's in the pink egg?
Get a pink egg.
What is that?
It's
Elsa.
yeah. A little tush.
A little tush. You know, Mommy thinks tush is funny. It's an Elsa Sumsum.
And look at her little tush.
Stop showing off her tush. But she's cute. Look at that braid. Really, really cute.
Yeah.
Little dress. Hello, Elsa.
And a little tush.
Cold doesn't bother her, so we'll put her in the snow.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Again.
Yeah, do you need any help?
Yeah, I'm trying to find an egg.
Let me see.
Hard to find eggs.
Let's see what we got. Oh, look what,
I found him.
you found one.
Found one.
What's in it?
It's Anna. Ow.
Oh, it's a Anna Sumsum.
And look at her little tush.
What is this with the tushes? Oh, she's got cute little braids and a cute little design on her dress.
Yeah.
Put her with her sister. She doesn't like the cold, but too bad. It's a Frozen video.
Yeah, we gotta put it on.
I can't see. You guys are in my way. What else do we have? There's got to be more eggs in here. Oh, you're going to do a big one? Okay, do a big one.
It's a dump truck.
Another one, but it's big. We found a little one and a big one. Let me see. Is it the same?
Yes.
Oh, it's like a mommy dump truck and a baby dump truck.
Let's put them in the bucket.
Cool. I like it. I like it. Let's see what else we have over here.
You see the bucket.
We see the bucket.
No.
Let me see. There should be... Oh, something's wrong with that minion. He's not having a good day.
Oh.
What? You see something over here?
This is Elsa.
That's Everest, actually. Let's see.
Let me get Elsa. No, it was Elsa.
It was Elsa?
Yeah, her little dress, her little tush.
Look what I found.
It's a blue egg.
Oh, who's that?
It's
And Olaf, Sum Sum, or Tsum Tsum. Which is it? Sum Sum or Tsum Tsum? Because I've heard people say it both ways, and I think Tsum Tsum sounds so silly. Let's put him in the dump truck.
Let me just.
All right.
Oh, I thought that's the same egg.
That's the same egg. Let me have that. Give me. Oh, okay. We're gonna use it. Oh, I see another one right there.
Oh.
Is that one?
No, it's an egg.
It's an egg. How do you know that's an egg?
Because it says egg.
It does says egg. How do you spell egg? How do you spell it? E-G-G. That spells egg. What's in it?
It's more candy.
Oh, it's frozen lollipops that look like snowflakes. Cool.
Everyone is different colors.
Oh, there's purple and blue, and there's 4 of them. So who do you think is going to get these cool lollipops? Who do you think is going to get to eat them?
Me.
You?
Lollipop.
But there's 4 of them.
Lollipop. You can have one too, and James can have one, and Daddy can have one.
Oh, you're so good. You share with all of us. Okay, welcome. We'll put that away for now. We're not going to eat them yet.
Where's another egg?
I think we found all the ones that are underneath. I think you need to open the last 2 that are on the top. Right?
I see one.
You do? Or you see the bottom again?
I see the bottom again.
Oh, okay. Hey, how about that red one right there?
Oh, but I don't want to finish.
Why? When you're done, you get to play. We have 2 little people in cars. You got a, what is that, a dump truck? And what's the other one? You just buried it. Can I see it?
Oh.
Can I see it?
It's a dump truck.
No, it's a digger. I don't know if I'm gonna be.
Well, it's opening. It's trying to open by itself.
Ooh, that minion thinks everything is fine.
Because
What do we
Bighorn.
got? Little Bighorn?
No, this is just Bighorn.
I thought he was Little Bighorn.
Oh yeah, he's Little Bighorn.
I think that's his name. What is he from?
Blaze in the Monster Machine.
How cool.
The Little Bighorn is a bad guy.
He's a bad guy?
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
he bumped into he bumped into the other monster trucks on the ice.
I didn't know that. I thought he was a good guy. Maybe you should bury him in the snow.
Since he's too big.
Yeah, go ahead. Bury that bad guy. Bury him. Bury here. You should use the shovel. Bury him up. Bury him up. That's it.
Bye,
Never to be
Little
found again. You bad monster truck.
This is what you get.
Oh, not Blaze.
This is what you get again. This is what
Let's
you
pack
get
it down.
today. This is what you get today.
There we go.
A berry.
All right, guys.
First you gotta, first the little bighorn, first the bighorns.
What are you talking about, crazy? Hey, buddy. What do you want to tell everybody?
Like our videos and subscribe when I cut this.
While you cut it? What are you cutting?
Snow.
You're cutting the snow? James, do you want...
I'm cutting little bighorn out.
Oh, no.
I gotta dig her back up.
You're going to dig him back up? All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. How much fun is it playing in the snow, Peter?
Good.
Yeah, you like it? What about you, James? You like playing in the snow?
He's driving.
He's driving? Oh, cool. Let him drive, honey.
I can't make one.
Oh, he's trying to get Little Bighorn out. Very good.
But James, we can't because Little Bighorn is a bad guy.
All right. Well, hope everybody's staying warm and dry. Have a good time today in the snow. Bye.
Like our videos and subscribe.